Hello, welcome to Topper Machine. I'm Josh Topper. So today we are doing the 100,000 subscriber thank you and giveaway video. And a lot of you are probably wondering why I started this channel and what it's, what brought it on. And it became possible all because of the constant nagging of a friend of mine. Every time he came up to do, have me do a job, he's like, "You're doing some really cool stuff and you really need to start doing a channel." And look, here he is.
I found this laying outside.
Hey, I know what this is. This is pretty cool. Did not expect to see this show up. So thank you, everybody. This is quite the honor to actually make it this far. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Cannot thank you all enough. So cool.
I got a project for you today. We're going to bend some steel for my wood splitter project. Let's get with it.
All right, let's do it. Well, let's see what you got here, Randy. Slide her in. So we need to bend, what do you need, an inch?
Inch.
Roughly here and there, and then the opposite way. We're making a trough, right?
Yes. Absolutely.
All right. Well, let's fire
this
pig up and you grab that side. Actually, I'm going to set it first. Make sure I got my depth right. And I don't. That should be pretty close. And I already got the back gauge set where we need it, so. Ooh. It's a little heavy and long for this.
Looks like it handled it.
Stalled it. Let's see what it looks like.
Looks good to me.
Yeah? All right, we'll spin it around.
Spin it.
Let's just take a quick look. Boy, that looks like a 90, don't it?
Looks close enough. Should we do the other two first?
Yeah.
Before we change setup?
All right, we're going to bend the other ones and we'll set up for the next bend. Oh. Watch the pedal. Hopefully this fits.
Might have to slide it in from the end.
Well, it'll fit this way. Feels like we're there, isn't it?
Yep. Well, I mean, look. Yeah, she's up against it, but I'm gonna watch. I got a funny feeling it's gonna move the fence.
Yeah.
Go ahead, hit her. It might have moved the fence. We might want to
we'll just check it each time.
Yep, we're gonna have to. It could be a little tighter, but as long as it does them all the same way, it's fine.
Well, we can hit it again. It'll probably pop it right in.
I mean, that looks a little short of 90, doesn't it, to you?
Yeah, it's a little wide. We can hit them all again, I mean, afterwards and see.
Well, okay.
Let's see
but
what it
like I
does.
said, we should check.
Yep, we'll check the back gauge.
Yeah, it moved.
Okay. Ready?
Go ahead. It's a little open, but as long as they're all the same, that's fine. I can deal with that.
You there?
Yep. Drop that one. Now just bring it down so it holds it and then measure it. Yeah, measure from there out to the edge now. What do you got?
19 3/8.
Should be close.
19 5/16.
That's pretty close to each other. So that's what we want that last leg of that to be.
Yeah.
The first one we should be able to go up against the fence.
Yep.
The last one with that odd side. Just throw this right in the back of the truck. That other one tried to tip over on me.
Last piece. And we had a little snafu, so we're gonna fix it on this one, but always something. Freaking back gauge moved on us. Where's that pedal? There it is.
You just got to measure it.
Yeah, I got to bring it down gentle. Okay. $19 1/4. 19 3/8. So I'm going to knock this side out 1/8.
We'll move.
5/16. Three-eighths to the top die. Actually, just a touch under.
You're the one running the tape measure. I can't see.
I think we're good there.
If you think it's good, we're good. You're the machinist.
Lay it on top of it the other way. Let's take a look at it.
pretty close. I think it's close enough
Oh,
for
that
us.
end feels really good.
Yeah, I think that'll be all right.
Oh, that looks right on. Well, cool. That'll be fun.
It'll work.
All right, well, should we go in and talk about the contest we're gonna do?
Perfect. I'd love to.
Stop wiggling. Not you.
I keep thinking about you're trying to find good lighting. It ain't gonna help. I don't look good.
I know you're nervous
it's not
about the
gonna help.
camera and all, but
No, that doesn't bother me. It's just it's not gonna help.
all right. Well, guys, 100,000 subscribers. Thank you so much, everybody, for sticking with me. Now, I want to do a giveaway. We're gonna do yeah. Randy's got the cool stuff here.
Anchorlube uses it on everything.
Yeah, even my tacos and
I
my
was gonna
burgers.
say
and-
steak sauce.
But I picked up some stuff to give away that's really cool, and one of those is this. Well, we'll start with the small one in the Starrett box. Hold that. Don't pay attention to your wife.
I normally don't.
Got a little edge finder, a Starrett edge finder. We'll be giving away, and then this is really cool. Flop around. There you go. A Starrett dial caliper that works in fraction and decimal. So even if you're a woodworker, this would be great for you.
It's not digital, so you will have to know how to read it.
Well, you know,
Kind of.
it's a clock.
It's a clock, yeah. If you can't read a clock, you're screwed.
So these are the first things. I'm probably going to throw in a jar of the honey that comes from our own bees. Anything else you can think of?
Insurance lube? Inside joke.
I've got a 55-gallon barrel of insurance lube for the last time my insurance guy came. It was pretty funny. He thought it was hilarious. Put your clothes back on.
Oh, a shirt. Give somebody a shirt. These Topper machine
Oh,
shirts.
yeah.
A
I'd
Big
have to order
Johnson
one
or
in.
something. A Big Johnson one or something.
Yeah, I'd have to order one in, whatever size you are, so let us know in the contest. So anyway, the contest is going to be this. In the description or the comments below, write a little story of why you want to win or why you think you should win or just something. Randy is going to choose the winner. So he is going to have to read all the comments. So I don't have to, because this is all his fault, this channel.
And just so you know, I never comment under Randy. It always says Candy because I'm always on the wife's name.
So give Randy a good reason for you to be the winner. And we'll pick the winner within, I don't know what, give them, the video will come out on a Saturday.
Yeah, I don't know. You'll remind me. He'll remind me, so. Yeah.
When are you too busy at work?
During the week.
So we should probably plan for a Sunday evening.
Something like that,
We'll
yeah.
do Saturday when the video comes out at 6 a.m. to like 8 p.m. Sunday.
Probably, yeah, that should work.
Okay, and then I'll try to announce the winner on
Your-
Wednesday,
your
on my
middle of the
Wednesday
week thing,
follow-up.
yep.
Yeah. Okay, so that's what we'll do. So we've got some cool stuff for you. The Anchorlube, the Starrett tools, and we'll try to get a shirt in your size. I'll order that in before I send any of this out. And again, thank you, everybody. You know, like I said, it's all his fault.
Blame it on the fat kid.
But at least this has really grown into something cool.
Yeah, it turned out a lot bigger than I thought it would.
Yeah, me too.
And it
I
gives
never
me something to
imagined.
do when I'm not doing nothing.
Yeah,
Well,
when you're working.
Yeah, that too.
So, guys, enter the contest. Give Randy a reason to pick you as the winner. And until next time, get out in your shop and get
do
it
it
done
right.
right the first time.
Or the second.
Or the second.